Without being ridiculous or retro, the 2025 Ford Bronco uses its past. This classic SUV has lots of off-road potential and several variations. Its biggest shortcomings include poor fuel economy and highway wind noise. Whatever you choose, the turbo 4-cylinder or turbo V6 Bronco has enough power for daily driving and a fast 10-speed automatic transmission. The V6 Bronco accelerates to 60 miles per hour from a stop in 7.3 seconds, which is average given its big tires and four-door design. On-ramps and short merges are easier and more enjoyable. 2025 Ford Bronco price estimate, about $42,000. Heavy braking causes a nosedive, typical for off-road SUVs, but emergency stopping distances were too long. From 60 miles per hour, a panic stop took 146 feet, average for heavy-duty pickup trucks. Our test Bronco had the Sasquatch off-road package and durable tires, but other Broncos with less aggressive rubber stopped 10 feet shorter, which is still too long. The steering shines. The Bronco's steering wheel gives drivers confidence and stability at freeway speeds because to an independent front suspension. On extended travels, the handling won't tire you out, but bumpy routes won't be exciting. While not a luxury car, the Bronco is more comfortable than the Jeep Wrangler, its main rival. Bronco seats offer additional support and adjustability to alleviate tiredness on lengthy highway journeys. It rides stiffer and bouncier than other SUVs due to its truck-based structure, but it doesn't stop you from driving it. Dual-zone climate control lets you modify the auto setting, and the available heated front seats function quickly, which is great if you've left the doors off on a cold day. The Bronco's score is lower because the detachable hardtop allows in a lot of wind noise at any speed. Our off-road testing revealed various rattles and vibrations.